Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video here. This is something I just learned working on something for a client where we had this wire loop that we wanted to be easily adjustable. And in the past in Creo, I would just have to create a new wire every time I wanted to adjust it. So in this case, what you see on the screen is just one kind of corner of the wire. And if I wanted to, say, make the radius of this surface smaller, I would have had to recreate the path that it was swept along, or maybe if I wanted to make the radius smaller, I would have had to recreate the part. So kind of trivial on something this small, but you can imagine in bigger assemblies or a larger part, recreating it could be kind of a pain. So let me show you what I figured out. There's some good videos on YouTube, but first thing is to turn on the parametric, and then also I've been doing this advanced assembly. I don't know if it's absolutely required or not, but I know that lets you do some cool assembly stuff, but I don't necessarily need to do it in this case. Okay, so here's the part. I'm going to go up and create a new relation, or R set. Oh, I think that might be for assemblies. Yep, so I need to click over to parametric. Okay, this should work now. Okay, now I have the R set. Now I'm going to add some relations. So there's several icons that all kind of look similar here. But if I click on this, you can either choose between elements or on elements. So I'll choose on elements, and I'll go with this circle here. And it should put a radius down there. And that will hopefully allow me to drive that radius. Now I'm also going to do another one. I'm going to click on this torus here, and it's giving me a radius on the torus too, which is great. Those are the two things I was kind of interested in controlling. You can also kind of anchor the part. I mean, I think if you start getting around messing with these and you see weird things happening, you can add, you can fix certain surfaces. You can also, I think if I select this face here and this face up here, they can be coincident, or they're coplanar. So I think that's good. Okay, now once you've laid those down, I notice it's helpful if I do an update. I just right-click update, and then to change them, there's probably more than one way, but I've been opening up this browser and getting in and doing kind of a long double click here. So let's try 0.7. See what happens there. And I think if you hit apply, still nothing happens. You have to come up and do update. And then there you go. And now we'll change the radius of the torus. Let's go to maybe go to 6 and do an update. And there you go. Okay, so now we can, I can use these tools to create a larger coil of wiring that is dynamically adjustable, and I can still use the CAD package I'm comfortable with, which is Creo. People that are familiar with SolidWorks watching this will maybe be laughing because this stuff is so easy in parametric modeling, but it's kind of a cool little add-on for direct modeling in Creo.